Hello, today we're gonna do fraction with addition. First, question number 1. First, we need to make the bottom the same, but since the bottom is already the same, we can start adding. But if the bottom is different, we'll have to make it the same. So 14 and 14 is 14, because we don't need to add the bottom. It's the same. If it's the same number, we'll just do it. Now, 2 plus 6 is 8. Well, 8 over 14 is the answer, but it isn't the final answer. So we could just start by dividing by the common factor, which is 2, because 8 is an even number and 14 is also an even number. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. So the next number is 34. But it's 4 over 7. And that is the final answer because 7 is an odd number and even is an even number. Now question number 6. 13 and 13, we don't need to add them, just 13. Now 8 plus 5 is 13 too. Since the top and the bottom is both 13, it equals to 1 because it doesn't really matter what number it is. When the top and the bottom has the same number, it equals to 1. Question number 9. 9 into 9 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. And now since 7 is an odd number and 9 is also an odd number, we can just divide them into the common factor. So now, but 7 over 9 is the final one because they don't have a common factor. Question number 10. 15 and 15. 15. 12 plus 4 is 16. And here, because 16 is bigger than 15, which the bottom has to be bigger than the top number. So we're gonna have except for a normal fraction, we're gonna have a number in the side of the left. So 16 divided by 5 is 1. Remainder 1. So that is 1. We'll put it over here, and then it's gonna be the fraction line and 15. Now we're gonna put the remainder 1 on the top. So the answer is 1 on the side, 1 over 15. Question number 14. 10 and 10. It's 10. 7 plus 7 is 14, which is bigger than 10. So 14 divided by 10 is 1. 10, and remainder 4. So the answer is 1 on the side, 14, 10. Four over 10. And now we can figure out their common factor, because 10 is an even number and 4 is also an even number, so they could both divide 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the final answer is 1 on the side, 2 over 5, because 2 is an even number and 5 is an odd number, so they don't have a common factor. Question number 16. 6 times 5 and 5. 6 and 6. 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. So they're both 6, so it equals to 1. Question number 20. 100 and 100 is 100 over 64. Since 64 is an even number and 100 is also an even number, so we're gonna find a common factor. But first, we're gonna just divide 2. 64 divided 2 is 3. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. So 32. 100 divided 2 is 5. 10 now minus 10 is 0, and now it's just gonna be 0. We're gonna just roll up to 0. So 50. And since 32 is an even number and 50 is also an even number, we can just divide 2 again. 1, 2, 1, 12, 6, 0. 16. 50 divide 2, 2, 4, 1, 10, 5. And 5 is 16 over 25 is the final answer. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.